Even today, 60% of households and 3% of Indian households don't have proper toilet connectivity. But what if I say more than 8,000 years ago, our ancestors were living in houses with proper toilets and drainage connectivity? Not just toilet, but also cities were built, businesses were running, artwork has started, and many other things were done at the time. Yes, I was talking about Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan Civilization, which is one of the oldest civilization in world. But question pops in everyone's mind is, how did Indus Valley Civilization started? What was living culture of people? And what destroyed Indus Valley Civilization? For next 3 minutes, I am going to tell you interesting facts of Indus Valley Civilization, which was one of the advanced civilization in world. Stay tuned and watch full video. Before watching video, if you not yet subscribed our channel, please subscribe and press bell icon for short and simplified videos every day. Let's begin our video from Indus Valley Civilization or Harappan culture, which is one of the earliest urban civilization in India and world. At the time, people used to settle near river banks for living and agriculture. In same way, people of Harappan civilization made settlements near Indus River, which is now located in present-day Pakistan's Punjab and Sindh provinces. Even today, no one exactly know from where did people come and settled in Indus Valley, but few researchers say people come from southern part and few say group of nomads traveling from Sumeria made settlement in Indus because of rich fertile land. Over next 1000 years, immigration spread across miles, building more than 1400 towns and cities where more than 80,000 people were living. And not to forget, Harappa and Mohenjo-daro was one of the biggest cities in Indus Valley civilization. And when we talk about living culture of Harappan civilization, there was proper town planning where they used baked bricks to build houses with well-planned straight roads. And most interesting thing about building technology is there were 2-story buildings with each house having kitchen, water tanks and toilet connectivity to drainage systems. Also, towns were beautifully built with town centers, court halls, markets, meeting halls, rainwater harvesting system and not to forget water reservoirs. Even though there is no proper evidence of speaking language of Harappan, scientists found more than 3,500 seals on clay tablets, pottery and metal objects where it is believed that pictographic scripts called Indus script is used for writing. And they used to produce crops with ancient agriculture techniques, and also it is said that there was food storage system where they used to store food grains and vegetables. With art and other things, people of Harappa knew how to make pottery, toys, copper plates and many such things much before other civilizations. In Harappan civilization, there was proper system where business was done with gold coins, standard weights and not just inner trading, but also it is said that there was import and export trade with Mesopotamia civilization. In recent archaeological evacuation, archaeologists found coffins where dead bodies are buried with copper plates and other belongings, proving that burial system is followed from ancient time of Indus Valley civilization. And when we talk about practice and rituals, people of Harappa followed Hinduism where there are enough seals as evidence which show Shiva and Rudra as gods, and few seals resembles praying animal god Pashupati, which is again incarnation of Hindu god Shiva, and few seals resembles trees as god, which is nature god. By now you might have understood how advanced Indus Valley civilization was, but it was destroyed completely. Yes, you heard it right. Few scientists say because of climate change people have migrated to different places, and few evidence shows that Indus Valley civilization was destroyed because of heavy floods near rivers. With all evidence, few people say Indus Valley civilization is 2500 years old and few say 5000 years old. But group of researchers in India have used carbon dating technique on skeletons and pottery, which concluded Indus Valley settlement could be 8000 year old. This is short and simplified history of Indus Valley or urban civilization, which is one of the oldest and advanced civilization in world. If you think this video is facts, then kindly share this video and comment your doubts in comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting and trending videos.